Hey guys, I'm at Dollar Tree. Yes. Oh, nice. Right up front. Oh, the Christmas wrapping paper is here. So now I'm not sure how much the paper is. Yeah, it's pretty though. Elf and all the things. Oh, wow. It's all gone. It's a tester here. Is there anything in it? Girl. Oh, what fun. I don't remember this one. That's actually kind of cute. Is it? Oh, yeah, it's the same. I was just scanning just to see if it was anything new. You know, new that I can remember. Anyway, beaded garland. That's here. I don't remember this. Yeah, and the lights. Oh, nice. Okay, some snowflakes are rocking. All right, the wall of ornaments. Yeah, everything is still the same. I am so excited about what's going to be new this year. I'm hoping that there's new Christmas. K for Cara. Some sack towels are over here. Dear Santa, let's negotiate. That's funny. Yes, on all of the socks. Look at Garfield. ready to eat his pizza. Yes, on that. Pop-Tarts, Top Ramen, Pringles. These socks are now is the time where, you know, we're about to start rocking again. So yes on that. Yeah, even over here. Look how big this section is. Wow. This makes up for the little sections that I see. A lot of Disney is here. I have these on now. That's funny. Yes, a lot of Disney ring pop. There's Stitch back there. Yeah. Well, that's a cute lip gloss. That is actually funny. Pineapple mango scented. I was about to walk away. Toilet spray, Regal Flush. Yes on that. I wanted to find this too. I forgot I was looking for it. Original citrus. So is this the only? This is nice and cute. I mean, the other ones are too because they're flat. But why is it over here with the hair and the lip? Girl. Yes, in the cart. I think we're good to go over here. Yeah, we've seen everything. Wow. They're fully stocked though. Yes, on the styling gel, Softy, Super Freeze. This is my fave. I just realized this morning that I needed another one in the cart. Oh, here's that deodorant again. Toasted honey, right? What was this one? Toasted almond. I forget what the other one was. It was pumpkin spice something, right? Yeah, I don't see it. Oh, I don't think, no. Island Crush. I haven't seen this one either. And I feel like I'm late on it. But yeah, they have this one too. I don't remember the vapor cream being this size. This is 3 ounces. Yeah, non-medicated vapor cream. Moisturizing cream with soothing menthol vapors. So that's rocking. Oh, that body lotion is here. Spa Luxury. The one is missing, or is it 2? Darn it. This is cider and honey, and this one is vanilla bean. Is it 2 more or 1 more? Get out of here. I'll probably see it again. Yes! Finally. Something I've been looking for. Yes, on the Spa Luxury hand cream. So the Brazilian Soul, right? And the Brazilian Orchid. So yeah, pistachio and caramel, and then orchid and sandalwood. So yes on that. In the cart. Oh, these are cute. The headbands by Spa April. Bath and shower, the pink and the black is rocking. Yes, we just saw these in the last video. That's full. Wow. I love this. They're all here. Yes on that. Cherry pie, cozy vanilla, honey apple. What's this one? Oh yeah, the honey apple. It's a few missing. Yeah, these right here, like these are cute too because they're flat, so they're going right in the bag, right? So we still rocking with these though. Here we go, all the way at the bottom, right? The big deodorant rollerball. The laundry fragrance booster, so the common lavender and the spring linen. So the pink one, the pink champagne, that one isn't here. So I guess it is just the 3. These are the new ones, right? The gummies, ashwagandha, children's melatonin, zinc citrate, and biotin gummies are up here. It's 14. Right, these are the older ones, right? The turmeric super probiotics. Yeah, the B12. Okay, so now those are rocking. So I'm gonna grab these two, the biotin and the ashwagandha. in the cart. Oh, here it is again, the toilet spray. Next to the Epsom salt. So here we go with the Marie Claire. So now I think I've seen all of it, like the entire collection. I feel like nice. They're here too. Good vibes, right? That glass nail file I love, and the regular one. So I like that they're both in there. Here's the cherry one over here. Oh, the big cherry. So this is one of the ones I didn't see in the big. I grabbed the happy face, right? Everything else, I didn't see the cherries in the cart. Vitamin infused nail file. I'm curious because, you know, I do my own manicures, so yeah, I wonder. In the cart. Yes, we're good to go. Straight across the ultimate garlic, right? Tone Brothers. Which one was this one? The Works Beef Chief, right? I use this. You know what I put it on? I put it on my salmon, actually. It was fire. Yes, on that. And then chicken winter, right? We got the taco night rocking. You know what I was looking for? The sanitizers up at the register. I don't see them. Darn it. So the softy, right? A re-up on that. Yes, on the toilet spray. Yes, I'm so excited about it. I've been dying to find these. The gummies. We're going to see what's rocking on this vitamin E infused. And then the cherry glass. Yes. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye. Hey guys, I'm at Dollar Tree. Isn't it so pretty? The fall right into the Christmas. Right here. I'm not mad at it. That's pretty. Yes. I came right over here. When I say I am hunting for this tall wooden gingerbread, oh my goodness. Now, we saw all of this, right? These were the ones I was going crazy over last year, although I don't remember these. These are pretty. It reminds me of sorority, I feel like. Nope. It is not over here. Oh, this is the one I got last year. I think that's it. I feel like. So yeah, this is nice. A couple new titles over here. I don't really see books. Like my stores don't really rock the books like that, which darn. A Wish for Christmas. That's nice. So they're $150 now. Truth of the Divine. Yeah, that's pretty thick on that. Wow. The Gifts. Yeah, that's rocking. Between the Sheets, easy and inventive layered tray bakes. Oh, that sounds fun, right? Isn't that zucchini? Hold on. Yeah, I just want, oh yeah. So basically you layering some things, right? Look at that. Key lime shortbread stack. Oh yeah, this is fun. I like this. I think I want it in the cart. Here's that holidays book. I remember this one. Frugal Cooking with your Instapot. That's rocking. So yes, on the socks, right? Girl, look at Bob Ross rocking up there in the boxer briefs. Bob is everywhere. Yes, on the hipsters. Here I go again. Now I'm looking for these sanitizers, you know, like the mocha, like all of those. I haven't seen those yet. This packaging is so big, right? Yeah, it is. Let me see. Girl. They say 125 on that. So yeah, it's 10 in there. Let me see. I don't see how many it is. 34. It's 34. Ricola. It's 34 in there. It's 10 in there. I need to grab it just because, like, I need for her to check it so I can make sure, and then I'm taking it home in the cart. Okay, yeah, I was missing 2. So the Spa Luxury, here's the sparkling cashmere. These are lotions. And the pumpkin chai latte. So we saw the cider and the honey and the vanilla bean. So it is 4. And yes, we found these in the last store finally. Girl, I took them out the pack. They already rocking in the car. It's a whole thing. Oh, and here they are in the foot mask. The vanilla bean and the pumpkin chai latte. Yes, on that. There's the Brazilian soul. I think we saw that one. Checking out the seasonings. Oh, there's that pumpkin pie spice. Back. Oh, let me scan the Ricola. Girl. It says 24 count. Girl, that's 34 in there. So yes on the big bag. I'm over here with the fun stuff, right? Look at these fridge pencil holders. Girl, that is funny. That is actually really, really cute. I like that a lot. So this color, oh, it's like a deep purple up here too. Yeah, the pink and all of that. I think I want one. That is really adorable. Does it open? I don't want to break the seal. Actually, I'm gonna just take this one in the cart. All right, I'm at the end, so no hand sanitizers. I'm gonna just grab the book, the Ricola, in the fridge. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye. Girl, it's a bubblegum tube, so I just squeeze it out and chew all the bubblegum I want. That is funny. Oh my goodness. All right, bye. Hey guys, I'm at Dollar Tree. I am on a mission for this hand sanitizer. I said, let me hit one more. So the wrapping paper, I'm in the vestibule. Yes on that. Oh, yes on this one. I haven't seen that. Oh, that's cute. I like it because the faces are big. I'm like a maniac. I'm in one of the checkouts. It's empty. Her line is really long, and I see Sandy's up there. I'm gonna see what's rocking over here first. I see cases, but I see Sandy's too, but I can't really see what they are, so I don't know if they're old or new. Some of the Marie Claire is over here too, so I feel like they're in all my stores for the most part. Down here too. Oh, up here, right? With the eyeshadows. Oh, here are those new gummies again. The biotin, ashwagandha. Yeah, all right, they're rocking. Here's the children's melatonin over here. This will forever be my fave. Oh my goodness, let me get a couple in the cart. I'm looking high, I'm looking low for the Sandies. Oh my goodness. The wipes are rocking. Okay. Oh my goodness. I was just watching him. Freddy Krueger. I was afraid to go to sleep. I thought I was gonna have nightmares. So that's rocking. Oh my goodness. But yes, on all the socks. I was trying to see if it was any more, you know, scary like the movies. Girl, I'm tripping off of this. He wears the same hat and sweater every single day. I'm tripping. I'ma get him. That is funny. In the cart. I'm making chicken noodle soup. Let me grab some egg noodles. I think I might have some, but I'm not 100% sure. So, in the cart. Well, I didn't find the mocha, the Sandies, but this says mocha latte. Gavalia? Is that how you say it? It's K-cups. It's 6 K-cups, right? Makes it frothy. It's 2 steps. You pour some things in it, right? And we'll be rocking, and then it'll look like that. Oh, yes on that. I'm gonna grab 2 in the cart. Okay, so we are solid in the seasonings. Yes on that. I was about to walk around the side to show you what was in the cart, right? Force a habit. So, yes on these K-cups. I grabbed the K-cups, you know, because hubby likes to rock. Because I have an espresso, so let me back it up a little bit. And the vapor, right? Girl, if something happens while I have these socks on, like if I have a bad day, I'm blaming it on the socks, on Freddie. And then some egg noodles. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye. Oh, cherry burst. That's all that's rocking. So is this a new one? Like, was the blueberry in? Yes, the blueberry was in here. Oh, man. So yeah, the blueberry and the cherry burst, and look, all of these is left. Oh my goodness, so darn. Okay, yeah, I don't need this one. I just wanted to see it, and I want the mocha. All right, bye.